Tell me about the types of materials that are used in the coffee machine.
We use copper and brass in our boilers. It's an all copper boiler, but our fittings are brass because they tend to be a little bit more dependable. You've got a machine that's heating up, and stainless steel heats at a different rate to what copper and brass does, so therefore you seem to get stress fractures. Also too, with the fact of electrolysis, particularly in country regional areas, particularly Adelaide and Perth, we found the boilers didn't have the longevity that they have with the Boema using the copper. So much more longer life and dependable, and give you fewer problems with the machines.
How has the technology that's within the coffee machine itself changed?
You're seeing the emergence more of multi-boiler machines, and that means you can dial in the temperature for the coffee. So if it's a light roasted coffee, you dial in a lower temperature, and if it's a darker roasted coffee, you can dial in a higher temperature. But the mainstream market still has remained pretty much the same with the heat exchange system. Certainly the old days of the semi-automatics, which is using controlling the coffee, the toggle switch is gone, whereas we now use a volumetric, and the beauty of a volumetric is that it's a push of a button and it measures the amount of water for you each time, so you get that consistency. So making coffee is a lot like baking. You want that consistency in your coffee.